Okay, we're going to go ahead and touch on how to go and set up your hosting account that is used in all the web classes offered. Um, we use the same hosting company, everyone, because I can access your servers and take care of you and keep things moving along. And I've also set up the cheapest hosting plan that I could, um, offering still all the things that we need in order to carry out our classes. First of all, just go to Egavas Hosting, egavashosting.com. And what we want to do is we want to scroll down and we see that we have this student account offered for $350 a month, which is a one-time payment of $42, which includes your domain name as well. So we'll go ahead and we'll click Create Account, and it brings us to this page. And this is basically the form that we want to fill out to create an account. The first thing we need to do is we need to create a username that we will use to log into our hosting, as well as they'll use it to set up various things on our account. We want to make sure that the student with a 30-day free trial is selected, and also that will default to the $42. We don't want any pre-installation applications, and we want to leave our data center in Chicago. So this is where we creatively come up with a domain name, and I'm just going to pull one out that I know is available, whereaminormal.com. And what we're going to do is we're going to check the availability. And what we're looking for is this here, where we're in the green and it says that we can register the name. And to give you an example, if you pick a name that is different, that's already taken, like aminormal.com, what you'll see is this red transfer here. And basically, unless it's your account, if it's your account, we could get into that conversation and transfer your domain name over. But you don't want to select that if it's not your account, and therefore you want to find a name such as this, whereaminormal.com. Any name you could use, first, last name, put together, all different kinds of things. But I'm going to go ahead and move forward and say I'm going to set my account up with whereaminormal.com. And we'll leave that selected, and then we're going to go next to enter your who is information. And in your who is information, what you want to put in here is any of the required information fields. Like, you don't have to put organization. You do have to put address, Reading, Pennsylvania, 19603, put in my email address, and put in a phone number at which you can be contacted. What you want to do is you want to use this information and let it copy that to the administrative information, the technical information, and the billing information. That'll actually be used to register your domain name, things like that. And so now that we have that, we're going to go ahead and click Next, Add Domains. So at this point, what it did is it essentially finished filling out that form here, and it should say $42. And we want to go ahead and we want to create an account. When we create an account, it'll ask you to go ahead and set up a password for that account. So go ahead, and you have to, of course, confirm it, things like that. And it's important that you pay attention to this, because what's going to happen when we register, it's going to send out an email asking you to validate you are who you are through that email address. So I'm going to go ahead and say set password. So at this point, it's actually brought me to my server, and you can do one of two things here. You can start your trial, or you can complete sign up. What you want to do is complete sign up. And at this point, it's where you would actually do your PayPal through PayPal, or your payment through whatever service, credit card, whatever you wanted to use. And that will take care of your account. That will take care of paying for your account. What we want to do is just go ahead and complete that. For the video, I'm actually just going to say start your trial. And I'm going to try to cancel out of there. So I don't believe it's going to let me get past here. But what I want to point out to you is, you see back here, there's a button where you can resend your email to validate your account. You need to make sure that you validate your account. When you get that email, it'll have a link and it'll say click here to validate your account. And it'll bring you to a page and tell you to complete the validation. If there's any questions, please feel free to reach out, contact me, and I'll do what I can to help you. This process should go pretty smooth for you.